What's up, Dan here, and today we are doing a VRTuned flash on this new 2018 Can-Am X3 RC. Simple plug and play, taking it from 172 horsepower to 195 horsepower, raising RPM limits, speed limiter, increasing torque, horsepower, boost levels, and all types of good stuff. So we're going to show you can quickly plug and play and do this flash in just under 3 minutes. This customer brought us the car so we can do it here, but you can purchase our end user cable so you can do the flash yourself, switching between tuned and stock, and as well as using the code clearing and diagnostics feature. So let's check out the flashing process. So we're going to load the tune file on here, which is super easy to do. So this is the same tune file that we use in the other 172 horsepower versions, so it works with the RC, no issues. Writing through, programming takes, of course, only about 2 minutes max. So it's programming the entire memory range, the whole 1504 kilobyte file. No need to do anything with the cluster, and of course you can use our end user cable to flash between tuned and stock yourself, and even do trouble codes, diagnostic, clear check engine lights, recheck engine light codes, all that stuff. So we'll finish writing the file here and then we'll be able to fire it right up. All right, it's finished flashing, so now I just have to turn the ignition off. And we are done. The car has been tuned. We can even start it up here. Let's put the key back in and press the start button. Fires right up. All right, flash is all done. So now this thing's ready to hit the trails, dunes. Of course, it'll be the ultimate rock climbing machine now. So check it out. If you have any questions, leave us a comment or hit us up on the website at vividracingutv.com. Follow us on Instagram, vividracingutv, and of course you can email us at utv@vividracing.com.